In this video, I'll show you how to solve the problem that you're having with your Hisense TV, where the screen stays completely dark, nothing is happening, although you're trying to power it on. Okay, so a very simple trick you can do is to go ahead and unplug the TV from the wall socket. Wait 5 minutes. During that 5 minutes, don't just stay there. Go ahead and find the power button of your TV. Usually it's located under it, in the middle, or on the right side. Once you found that button, keep it pressed during 30 seconds. Even if the TV is unplugged, don't worry, just keep it pressed 30 seconds. Release the button. And now you're going to unplug every HDMI connectors that are on the back of the TV. Usually there's 3 ports, maybe you have 4 HDMI ports. Well, disconnect every single cable that are connected. Okay, great. Next, you're going to plug back your Hisense Roku TV in the wall socket. Do not plug it in a power bar. Maybe this was causing your issue. Once you've done this, you're going to power on your TV using the button under that you just pressed previously. Just tap on it once. Then the TV should turn on and hopefully the screen will be lit up and you won't have any issues. Once this is done, you can go ahead and connect every HDMI cable in the back. Sometimes one of those were causing the problem. So by connecting it one by one, you're going to see which one of them was actually giving you issues. Now, if this didn't work, okay, if the screen still stays dark this way, well, it could be because the backlight of your Hisense TV is burned out. And a simple way on how to find out that this is your issue is to take a torch, a flashlight, maybe the flashlight of your phone. Now, get closer to it. Imagine this is my smartphone. Get closer to the screen while the screen is black. Power on your TV. And the TV needs to be powered on, by the way. And if you see a fainted image appearing when you bring some light over the black screen, well, it simply means that the backlight is gone. And yeah, you'll need to replace this. Honestly, I'm not a professional, but I know it's possible. At least you'll know it's not a software issue. It's definitely something that a hardware that went wrong. Thanks for watching. If you have any other solutions, please type them in the comments down below. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.